Hi everyone, welcome to our special video celebrating Helsinki Day 2024. This year, Helsinki is turning 474 years old and we are excited to explore the city's festivities. Watch till the end of this video to see all the amazing highlights of this special day and don't forget to subscribe. We start our adventure in the vibrant heart of Helsinki. On Helsinki Day, the city is buzzing with energy and excitement. There are street performances, food stalls, and special events happening all around. It's the perfect time to experience Helsinki's lively spirit. Next, we head to Kaivopuisto Park, one of the main spots for Helsinki Day celebration. Located in the southern part of the city, this beautiful park becomes a hub of activity. You can enjoy live music, delicious food from local vendors, and lots of fun activities for everyone. Kaivopuisto Park is a fantastic place for families and friends. There are games for kids, great food to taste, and live performance that makes the park come alive. Kaivopuisto Park in Helsinki is a beautiful green space filled with wide lawns, colorful flower beds, and tall trees. It's the perfect place for a walk, a picnic, or just relaxing. The park greenery makes it a peaceful escape in the city, and on Helsinki Day, it's especially lively with people enjoying the fresh air and nature. Plus, the park offers stunning views of the Baltic Sea, a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the festive atmosphere. Whether you are looking for a quiet spot to unwind or a scenic area to explore, Kaivopuisto Park is a must visit. Our final stop is Harakka Island. On Helsinki Day, you can take a free boat cruise to this lovely island. It's a short ride with breathtaking views of Helsinki and the sea. Once you arrive on the Harakka Island, first of all, visit the nature center and museum. Inside it, you will find fascinating exhibits about the island's wildlife and history. There are interactive displays that shows the unique plant and animals that live here, as well as historical artifacts from the island's past. The museum has a variety of exhibits that are both fun and educational. You can learn about the island's diverse bird species, its rich marine life, and even the history of human activity on the island, including its use during World War II. Harakka Island is also a bird watcher's paradise, especially on Helsinki Day. Over 100 bird species have been spotted here, so bring your binoculars and see how many you can find. Take a walk along the scenic trails. You will get stunning views of the Baltic Sea and the Helsinki skyline. The greenery and a peaceful path make it a perfect spot for a relaxing stroll or a nature hike. Don't miss the fun outdoor activities. Enjoy a picnic with friends, explore old military bunkers from World War II, or snap some great photos. There is so much to do and see. The island is known for its peaceful environment and beautiful views. It's a perfect place to unwind and connect with nature. On Helsinki Day, Harakka Island is a great place to visit. Check out the Nature Center Museum to learn about the island's wildlife and history. It's also a fantastic spot for bird watching. Many different birds can be seen here. Enjoy a walk along the scenic trails with lovely views of the sea and Helsinki, or just relax and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Thanks for joining us on this Helsinki Day adventure. Watch till the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe. Harakka Island is perfect for anyone wanting to explore nature and have a great time on Helsinki Day. That's a wrap on our Helsinki Day adventure. We hope you enjoyed exploring the city, Kaivopuisto Park and Harakka Island with us. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.